Simple past tense. I played football. I played football. You ate breakfast at 8 a.m. You ate breakfast at 8 a.m. He wrote a book. He wrote a book. She spoke English fluently. She spoke English fluently. It rained yesterday. It rained yesterday. We worked at a guest house. We worked at a guest house. Past continuous tense. I was studying. I was studying. You were driving. You were driving. He was writing. He was writing. She was cooking. She was cooking. It was raining. It was raining. We were dancing. We were dancing. Past perfect tense. I had finished my work. I had finished my work. You had seen this movie. You had seen this movie. He had gone to school. He had gone to school. She had learned Spanish. She had learned Spanish. It had stopped working. It had stopped working. We had met him before. We had met him before. Past perfect continuous tense. I had been studying for 2 hours. I had been studying for 2 hours. You had been waiting for her. You had been waiting for her. He had been working here since 2015. He had been working here since 2015. She had been feeling ill.